Hello, my name is Valerie Montañez, and my project focuses on the Puerto Rican and Latin culture, especially how it developed through music and dance. I'll be talking about how it all started, how it evolved over time, and how modern artists like Bad Bunny represents the culture, identity, and pride around the world. Puerto Rican culture is such a strong mix of Spanish, African, and indigenous roots. It's a very family and community oriented, and you can see that through how people celebrate through music, food, and festivals. Everything reflects unity and culture pride. Music and dance are the heart to a Puerto Rican life. They've always been the way to express emotions and bring people together. Peter Manuel talks about how these traditions help unite communities and strengthen culture identity. Latin music originally formed from African drums, indigenous rhythms, and European instruments. Hernandez explains how the blend gave Latin music its significant sound and emotional depth. Latin music connects people everywhere. It celebrates diversity and unity at the same time. Cepeda describes it as a global force that connects and shapes identities today. In the 1990s, Latin artists like Richard, Shakira, and Jennifer Lopez broke into the mainstream. That moment gave Latino artists global visibility. Cepeda points this out as a boom brought in Latin music into the international spotlight. Migration helped shape Puerto Rican rhythms. People traveled between the Caribbean and Latin American blend sound and tradition. Manuel says that this exchange helped genres like salsa and reggaeton evolve and spread. Reggaeton became a global genre by mixing hip hop and Caribbean beats. Rivera explains that it gave younger Latinos a way to express identity and connect through music. Puerto Ricans also shaped early hip hop culture, especially in New York. Rivera mentions how the influence shows the hip hop and how it's been multicultural. Now fast forward to today, Bad Bunny's Una Verón Sin Ti became one of the most streamed albums in history. Flores from Billboard says that his success proves that Latin artists can dominate global charts without switching languages. Bad Bunny's music culture covers a theme like love, heartbreak, and summer life. He mixes Puerto Rican sounds with traps and reggaeton beats, keeping the culture alive while still involving his style. He also collaborates with other artists from Latin countries like Colombia. Those songs show unity and culture exchange, celebrating love, beauty, and the share of traditions through music. Puerto Rican music is seen everywhere, especially on TikTok and social media. Dance challenges and trends help spread the culture, and younger fans use it to keep it to their roots alive. They do it as in dances or just videos you can see all over TikTok. Bad Bunny concerts are worldwide. Concerts are massive. He sells at stadiums all over the world. The shows feels like more like a celebration of Puerto Rican pride more than just a performance. What's really awesome about him is that he shows and he stays true to Spanish. His music proves that you don't have to sing in English in order to succeed in this type of world. That choice keeps Puerto Rican's identity strong and honestly shows a lot. Puerto Rican music really reflects a lot. It can do a lot as well. In this photo shown, you can see a younger woman and an older man. They're bonding over just the Puerto Rican music, basically. Um, Everyone really can just find a piece of themselves in the rhythm, and it honestly brings generations, all generations, close together. From legends like Tito and Jennifer Lopez to modern Puerto Rican stars all over the world, especially Bad Bunny, Puerto Rican culture continues to thrive, especially with strong, inspirational people just like them. This Bad Bunny album, called Un Venado Sin Tu, shows how Latin music stays true to its roots while reaching, honestly, literally the whole world. So, really, overall, Puerto Rican and Latin music tells us the story of identity and love and even celebration. From traditional rhythms to global hits, this culture keeps evolving without losing its roots. Thank you so much for listening. Last but not least, this is my works cited page. These are the sources that I use all over my project. There's five of them, if I'm correct. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for listening.